What are you doing, Daisy? Come on, let's go get Barker. He thinks he can catch some birds. Look at him. Crazy dog. Oh, Lordy. What are you doing, Barker? You can't get the bird, dude. Trying to get the birds? Trying to get the birds, baby? You can't get the birds. Hey, you can't get the bird. There's not even a bird up there. He's on the other side of the fence, you goofball. Daisy, what is he doing? He's crazy, isn't he? Crazy, Barker. Barker, you're just nuts. He's nuts, Daisy, isn't he? Look at him. He's like, oh my gosh, what's that noise? I'm banging my tail up against the fence, and I don't know what it is. Oh my goodness, what's in here? Oh Lord, I gotta go along the fence. There's a bird over there somewhere. I gotta find the bird. Oh my God, where's the bird? Where's the bird? Where's the bird, Barker? Get the bird, Barker. Get the bird. Hey, Daisy. Daisy. Pretty Daisy. Daisy. Barker. 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 Hey, Daisy. Pretty girl. Pretty girl.